Cat-cow is a soothing flow between two poses that brings flexibility to the back and creates warmth in the body by moving through these opposite spinal movements. It calms the mind as you move to the rhythm of your inhales and your exhales. In this yoga tutorial, we will get on our hands and knees to practice one of the best poses to stretch your back. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Find yourself on 4 points, tabletop, shoulders in line with your wrists, and your hips in line with your knees. Your back is neutral, arms fully extended, and pressing the ground away from you. Avoid bringing the shoulders up to the ears. Instead, bring the shoulders down, finding the full length of your neck. As you inhale, you bring the chin up, dropping the belly button down towards the ground in cow. And as you exhale, you bring the chin down towards the chest as you round up the back. Inhale, chin up in cow. And exhale, chin down in cat. Just like any other yoga pose, do what feels good. If you have neck problems, avoid hyperextending in cow. If your wrists hurt while holding the pose, place your forearms on the ground. If your kneecaps hurt, fold your mat or place a firm blanket under your knees. Remember that a flexible spine keeps the body young. Try practicing cow and cat flows in the morning or after sitting for long periods of time. Who knows, you may feel younger. I hope you found this yoga tutorial useful. From my heart to yours, Namaste.